And you're finished.
Wow. I didn't fall that much. I didn't wiggle that much.
That's right, you didn't.
Before I came here, I feel like I've forever been in physical therapy.
My name is Jim Foster. I created a system called NeuroAdaption. It's a culmination of over 25 years of research and development. It's a patented method centered around a patented medical device that produces just amazing results. The medical side of the business is for anyone and everyone that has a movement issue, whether it's a stroke victim, any form of muscular dystrophy. We also have programs here for seniors, for unparalleled weight loss, and for people with arthritis. To give you an example of what you would experience, I like to use the example of people that have been on a boat for a period of time. And when they come off the boat and they get back on land, they feel like they're back on the boat again. What that is you being programmed neurologically on the boat, subconsciously, to create a resistance to the roll of the sea, or sea legs. When you came off the boat, those same neurons that were recruited in those same patterns were still firing. And that gave you the whole idea that you were back on the boat again. That's very similar to what we do here. Of course, not sea legs, but in programming someone who has a malfunctioning disorder, or specifically in a task, whether it be tying your shoes, putting your pants on. That's how we're programming that individual through our patented system and device.
Hi, my name's Dr. Jeff Kopstein, and I'm here to tell you about the discovery of a system that will improve your pain and increase your range of motion in a matter of minutes. That's right, you will see and feel the difference in a matter of just minutes. The system is called NeuroAdaption, and it does not involve any drugs, is completely non-invasive to your body, and uses an FDA certified device. Additionally, it corrects your posture, supports and balances your body, and progressively strengthens any and all of your movements.
NeuroAdaption is an amazing breakthrough in movement therapy and rehabilitation. It has already restored pain-free movement to dozens of Oxnard area patients, and it can help you as well. Call us today for more information or to schedule a free consultation with our NeuroAdapter specialists. You'll be amazed at your results. Call us now at 805-431-1118. That's 805-431-1118.